Okay, in the first class, I have explained to you regarding eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. So this is a eukaryotic cell. As you are seeing the screen, this is a eukaryotic cell. So inside a cell, what you will get? Inside a cell, you will get a nucleus. This is a nucleus, which is being circled. No? This is a nucleus, and inside the nucleus, you will get chromosomes. Okay, so these chromosomes are thread. These are thread-like structures. Okay, this thread-like structures is known as chromosomes. Okay. So in these chromosomes, what you will find again? You will find DNA. This is the DNA. Okay. About this DNA, I will explain to you in the next slide. Okay. First, for now, you just remember inside the cell there is the nucleus, and inside the nucleus you will get a thread-like structure. Okay, thread-like structure which is chromosome. So this is the chromosome. So this is the structure of chromosome. Okay, all together, this one is known as chromosome, and this is chromatic. Okay? This chromatic, this one and this one is the chromatic. Okay, and this meeting point, the meeting point of the chromosomes is known as the centromere. Okay, CENTROMERE. Okay, so are you clear about it? About this? Are you clear about the cell, the nucleus, the DNA, and the chromosomes? Are you clear? Please respond. Srijana, are you clear? Are you clear or not? Can you hear me? Okay, are you clear? Are you clear regarding this? Clear, no? Regarding this cell, inside the cell you will get a nucleus. Okay, inside the nucleus again you will get chromosome. So these chromosomes, what is their identification, or how can we identify them? They are thread-like structure. Okay, they are thread-like structure, and again this chromosome, you will get the DNA. In this chromosome, again you will be getting DNA. About this DNA, I will explain to you in the next slide. Okay, the next slide is there. So for now, you know the structure of chromosome. So this is the structure of chromosome. Okay, so this is the this one. This is the this rings or this like a thread is known as chromatic. Chromatic. This is chromatic, and the meeting point of the chromatic is known as the centromere. Okay, this is the centromere. So are you clear? Shall we move to the next slide? Huh? Are you clear? Shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So in this chromosome, okay, you will find 23 pair of chromosomes. 23 pair of chromosomes you will be getting paired. Okay. So 23 plus 23 is equals to how much? 46. Okay. So 46 you will get in total. So, but again, for male and female, again it's different. Okay, so for female, we can identify the chromosomes as X and X. This one, X and X, and you will get 43. 46 in total the chromosomes. Okay, so you can identify the female chromosomes as X and the total number of chromosomes which you will be getting is 46. Okay, but for males, again it's different. Okay, for males it is X and Y, and the total number of chromosomes we will getting is 46. Same thing. Okay, same thing only you will be getting, but the thing is XY, XX is different. So are you clear about the second point? First point, you will get 23 pair of chromosomes. Okay, and here you will get X and Y. So how can we determine the person's gender or the person's sex? We can identify by this chromosome, that is XX, that is for the females, and for the XY, the males. And in total, we will be getting 46 number of chromosomes. Okay, are you clear about this point?
Yes, ma'am.
So these chromosomes are made up of DNA. In the first slide, shown, these chromosomes, they are made up of DNA. This one, okay. So this DNA we know them as deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay. So this DNA we know them as deoxyribonucleic acid. And these genes are special units of chromosomal DNA. Okay. Are you clear? Are you clear about this?
Yes,
Okay, so I'll just repeat again. We have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Okay, there is X and Y. How can we identify the person's sex? By this chromosome. There is for females XX. There is 46 number of chromosomes we will be getting. And whereas for males, we get X and Y. There is 46 number of chromosomes. Okay, and these chromosomes are made up of DNA. That is the deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay? Okay, are you clear, everyone? Are you clear, everyone? Please respond.
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, we will move to the next slide. Okay. Now we will see a gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. Okay. And these genes are made up of DNA. Okay. So, okay, now let's see the DNA structure. Okay, this is the DNA structure. Okay, so this DNA, they are composed of polynucleotide chain. Okay, polynucleotide chain, they are composed of polynucleotide chain which are twisted around each other. Means these chains are twisted around each other. Okay, they are forming double helix. They are known as double helix. Okay, about all this we will come later. For now, we'll just know the DNA structure. That the DNA is composed of two polynucleotide chain. This is the chain, and they are twisted each other. Okay. Okay, are you clear about the DNA structure? Are you clear about the DNA structure? Are you clear? Please respond. Hmm. Are you clear?
Ma'am, once again.
Once again, okay. So this is the DNA structure. Okay. In this DNA, you will be getting two polynucleotide chain. Okay, so this is the polynucleotide chain. Okay, they are twisted. They are twisted. You can see now they are twisted. They are twisted around each other. Okay. So this is the structure of DNA. DNA from where you are getting? From the chromosomes only. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. From the chromosomes only you are getting the DNA. So this is the structure of DNA. They are double helix. They are twisted. They are not straight. They are twisted. Okay. Okay, are you clear, everyone? The structure of DNA.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. And this Watson and Crick, they have discovered this DNA. Okay. They found out this DNA structure. This is Watson and Crick. So these are the people, Watson and Crick. Okay. Okay. Now Okay, now let's see the DNA components. Okay, so this DNA is made of subunits called nucleotides. Okay, this DNA they are made of subunits called nucleotides. So these nucleotides, okay, this nucleotide consists of sugar. This is the sugar. It is blue in color, color coding. Okay, this orange color is the phosphate. Okay, phosphate and the base. Okay, this is the structure of DNA in minimizing form, you can say. Okay, so this DNA is made up of subunits. Okay, so the subunits are called nucleotides. Okay, and this nucleotide it consists of sugar. This is the sugar. This is the base. Sorry, this is the phosphate, which is orange in color, and the green part is the base. Okay, did you understand? And these four base, these base are divided into four. Okay, there is adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Okay, and each base has a different shape. Again, this base will have a different shape. So this is about the structure of DNA in a minute form. Okay, now again I'm showing you. Okay, so this DNA structure, it's nucleotide is there. So this nucleotide is made up of phosphate, then sugar, that is the deoxyribose sugar. Okay, and this is the nitrogenous base. Okay, are we clear about this DNA structure? Huh?
Ma'am, can you speak a little louder?
This DNA structure, na? Wait, let me check. This DNA is made up of subunits, which are called nucleotides. Okay, and these nucleotides consist of sugar, this part, or else you can say phosphate sugar, or sorry, sugar. Okay, then this is the phosphate that is orange in color, and this is the base. This is the base, okay? And here you will find four bases. There is adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Okay, and you will find that this base, okay, each base has a different shape. Okay, okay, are you clear about the DNA? Here I am showing you again. This DNA structure, this nucleotide is there, and this nucleotide is composed of phosphate, okay, then deoxyribose sugar, and the nitrogenous base. Okay,
Ma'am, what is sugar?
deoxyribose sugar. Okay, this is the deoxyribose sugar.
Okay, ma'am.
And this base is the nitrogenous base. Okay. Phosphate, deoxyribose sugar, and the nitrogenous base. Are you clear, everyone? DNA structure. Are you clear or not? Adam, are you clear? Jondeep, are you clear? Are you clear, Jondeep?
Once again, can you explain this part?
Again, okay.
Little louder.
Little louder, okay. So this is the DNA structure. Okay, this DNA they are composed of subunits. Those subunits are phosphate. This is the phosphate. It's orange in color, na? This is the
Yes.
phosphate. This is the deoxyribose sugar. This blue color, okay? This is the deoxyribose sugar, and this green color is the nitrogenous base. This is the nitrogenous base. Okay. Okay, are you clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I have I'm repeating the slides again, okay, so that it will be easy for you all. Okay, the nucleotides are the subunits of DNA. Okay, and this DNA is made up of 4 subunits. Okay, each subunit is identical for the shape. Actually, it will be okay. It's incorrect. Okay, there is sugar, phosphate, and the base. Okay, and this base, the green in color, that one, this base, again they have adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Okay, adenine, you can say adenine also, adenine also, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. So these are the bases. It is divided into four. Okay, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Actually, it will be 4. Okay, this is 4. DNA is made up of 4 subunits. These are adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Okay, are you clear? This response, are you clear?
Ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move to the next. Okay. Again, I'm repeating only. This DNA is made up of molecules called nucleotides. Okay, and each nucleotide consists of phosphate group, sugar group, and a nitrogenous base. Okay. Again, same thing. The nucleotides are the subunits of DNA. Okay, they form the genetic code, and they are phosphate group, sugar, that is deoxyribose sugar, and the nitrogenous base. And the nitrogenous base, you will get you will be getting the nitrogenous base in 4 types. Okay, it is adenine. How can we denote adenine? Capital letter A. Okay, thymine, capital letter T, guanine, capital letter G. Okay, and cytosine, capital letter C. Okay, and this order, no, the order of all these bases, they will be determined in the DNA instructions, okay, in the DNA instructions or the genetic code. These bases, it will be determined in the DNA instructions and the genetic code. Okay. Are you clear about the base? You will get 4 types of nitrogenous base. Okay, those are adenine, capital letter A, thymine, capital letter T, guanine, capital letter G, and cytosine is capital letter C. Okay, and this order, the order of all these nitrogenous base, how it will be determined in the DNA instructions or else the genetic code. Genetic coding and all, I think you all have studied in botany. I've seen before. Okay, are you clear about this nitrogenous base?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, are you clear? Do you want me to repeat? Hmm? Do you want me to repeat or it's okay? It's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So can I ask you if you all are clear? Okay, let me ask if you all are clear. Okay, Adam Maro, please turn on your video. Adam Maro, can you hear me? Adam Maro, you are online. Okay, can you hear me, Adam?
Yes, ma'am, but not clearly.
Oh, that means you didn't understand. Did you understand or not? Just tell me. If you didn't understand, it's okay. I'll repeat again.
Not all.
Not all. Okay, okay. Let me start the beginning then. If you all are not clear, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in the last class we have discussed about the cells, right? So in the cells, you will get the eukaryotic and the prokaryotic cell. Do you remember that? In the eukaryotic, you will find nucleus. In the prokaryotic, you won't find. So we will be studying about the eukaryotic cells. Okay, in the eukaryotic cells, you will be getting chromosomes, DNA, and so on. We will discuss. Okay, now let's see the eukaryotic cell. In the eukaryotic cell, you will get a nucleus. Okay, this is the nucleus. This is the nucleus, and in the nucleus, in the nucleus, you will be getting chromosomes. These chromosomes are thread-like structures. Okay, they are thread-like structures, and in these chromosomes, again, you will be getting DNA. Okay, in these chromosomes, again, you will be getting DNA. DNA we will discuss in the next slide. Okay, so this is the structure of chromosome. Understand? This is the structure of chromosome. This upside is called as chromatic, and the points where the chromatic meets is known as centromere. Okay, so are you clear about the structure of chromosomes now? This one, this one is known
Yes,
as the
ma'am.
chromatic, and the center point where the chromatic meets is known as the centromere. Okay, okay, next. Okay, and you can see you will find that 23 pair of chromosomes are there. 23 pairs of chromosomes will be getting, okay, and two spatial chromosomes, that is 23 plus 23, which is equals to 46. So in total, you will be getting 46 number of chromosomes for both male and female. And now, how will you identify the male and the female chromosomes? The female chromosomes will get X, XX. You can denote the female or you can identify the female chromosomes by XX. Okay. Whereas in male, you can get XY. Okay. XY. It won't be same anymore. X and Y. You can identify the male chromosomes. Okay. And the third point, what you will get, these chromosomes are made up of DNA. I've already studied the first in the first slide, I've already discussed about this. These chromosomes, they are made up of DNA. DNA, what is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. This one. Deoxyribonucleic acid. And genes, and this DNA, the DNA, the genes are special units of chromosomal DNA. Okay. So are you clear? Are you clear about the chromosomes XY, XX? Are you clear? Shanti, Dabang, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next. Next is a gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. Okay. These genes are made up of DNA. The genes are made up of DNA, and these genes, what you get, they are the basic. Okay, they are the basic and functional unit of heredity. Okay. Heredity means what? From your great great grandfather, you will inherit. I mean, it will be same. Okay. For example, I'm just saying one example. If your grandfather's eye color was blue, so it will inherit. I mean, again, it will be blue. I mean, his son's eyes or his daughter's eyes will be blue. So that is known as heredity. Okay, inherit from one another. Okay, are you clear about this? These genes again they are made of DNA. And these genes they are the basic physical chromosome genes to inherit. Okay, you see in terms of the body structure and functional unit of heredity. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, so this is the DNA structure. Okay, this DNA they are composed of polynucleotide chain. So this is the chain. Okay, so this is the two chain. That is the polynucleotide chain. They are twisted around each other. This see you can see they are twisted. They are twisted around each other in the form of double helix. Double helix means they are double, isn't it? Two two. So they are known as double helix. So are you clear about the structure of DNA? Are you clear about the structure of DNA? They are composed of polynucleotide chain. This is a chain. Okay, this is a chain. They are twisted around each other in the form of double helix. Okay. Okay, this model of DNA, it was discovered by Watson and Crick. Found out by Watson and Crick. They might ask you also in the exam Watson and Crick. Okay, and this model of DNA was found out by Watson and Crick. Okay, now let's see again. This DNA, the subunits of DNA is the nucleotides. Okay, it's given more clearly here. Okay, this DNA is made up of four subunits. Okay, and each subunit is identical except for the base. Okay, so here you will get sugar, the subunits of the nucleotides. You will get sugar, phosphate, and the base. Okay, this sugar mostly is this one, deoxyribose sugar. Okay, this is the deoxyribose sugar. Then this orange color is a phosphate, and this green color is identified as the base. So now we will study the nitrogenous base. Again, this nitrogenous base also is divided into four parts. Okay, so this is the four. These are the four parts. And the nitrogenous base is divided now. It is adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear? Response to it.
Ma'am,
Huh?
repeat.
Repeat. Okay. This DNA, they are made up of four subunits. Okay. And each subunit, wait, it's given more clearly here. Okay. So this DNA is made of some units called nucleotides. Okay. These nucleotides, they consist of sugar, that is deoxyribose sugar. Understand? And this is the phosphate, and this is the base. Okay, and in this base, again you will get four base. It is a nitrogenous base, you get four. Okay, and each base has a different shape also. Yeah, are you clear, everyone? This one. This is the phosphate. This is the deoxyribose sugar, and this is the base. It is the nitrogenous base. Okay, in the nitrogenous base, again you will get all these adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Okay. You will again, you will find the DNA, they are made up of molecules called nucleotides. Already I have shown you in the previous slide also, just the repetition. Okay. And each nucleotide consists of phosphate group, okay, a sugar group, and a nitrogenous group. So this is about it. And in these nucleotides, what you will get? Subunits of DNA. Subunits of DNA are what? Phosphate group, sugar, and the nitrogenous. Okay. So this is the identification of the nitrogenous base. In the nitrogenous base, you will get four bases. Those are adenine, capital letter A, thymine, capital letter T, guanine, capital letter G, and cytosine, capital letter C. Okay. And here, what you will get, the order of these bases. Okay. The order of all these bases determines DNA instructions of the genetic code. Okay. From this order only, like we will come to know the DNA or the genetic code. Na? Means from this DNA we will come to know the genetic code, whether the genes are matching or not. Okay, from this nitrogenous basis, we will come to know. Okay, understand everyone? Huh?
Yes,
Okay. That was about DNA. And then, okay. Did you understand, students? How many nitrogenous bases are there? History did how many nitrogenous bases?
Yes, ma'am.
How many nitrogenous bases? 3, 4, 5, 6. How many?
4.
4. Okay. Okay, you can turn off your audio. Okay, Aseng Modi. Aseng Modi. Okay. Can you tell me the name of the 4 nitrogenous bases? Okay, at least two nitrogenous bases.
When thymine.
Then,
Thymine.
then,
Ma'am, I forgot.
forgot. Cytosine. Okay. Wait, let me show you again. Okay, this one. Can you see it, Aseng?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the 4 nitrogenous bases. Adenine, capital letter A, thymine, capital letter T, guanine, capital letter G, and cytosine, capital letter C. So these are the 4 types of nitrogenous base. Okay, are you clear now? Did you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Gordas, please unmute yourself. Gordas, can you hear me? Okay, Grapho, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Grapho, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Miracle, what happened? Hello? Miracle, what happened? Hello?
Ma'am.
What happened, Miracle? Say. Say.
What, ma'am? Can you repeat, ma'am, the question? Ma'am, please repeat the question.
I just asked what are the 4 types of nitrogenous base? The only I asked.
Almine.
Huh? What do you mean?
Adenine.
Adenine,
Thymine.
thymine, guanine, cytosine.
Synthesis.
Understand, na? The 4 types of nitrogenous base.
Yes, ma'am.
Adenine capital letter A, thymine capital letter T, guanine capital letter G, and cytosine capital letter C. And from all these bases now we can identify the genetic code, the genes. Okay, with genes we can do coding. Understand? Miracle, did you
Yes, ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, wait, let me ask one more question. Lobsang, please unmute yourself. Lobsang, please unmute yourself. What happened? Some of the students are leaving the meeting. I didn't ask you to leave, no? The class is not yet over. Mercy, Sangma. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Actually, I forgot to mention two scientists were there who discovered the DNA structure. Can you name the two scientists who discovered
Pardon?
DNA? Huh? Two persons were there, na? Actually, they are scientists. I forgot to
Yes,
mention.
yes, ma'am.
Can you name them?
No, ma'am.
Huh?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? I've already told you. This one, Watson and Crick. Can you see the screen, Mercy?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't forget, okay, Watson and Crick.
Okay, ma'am.
They found out this structure of DNA. Okay, Watson and
Okay,
Crick. We should call it Watson and Crick model of DNA. Don't forget.
yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Moichong form. Please unmute yourself, Moichong form. Moichong, can't hear me or Moichong. Okay. Then Prajwal, please unmute yourself. Prajwal, unmute yourself. What happened? You all can't hear me. Some can hear me like that or what? Okay, Sajarika, Sajarika De Burma. Okay. Sajarika, can you tell me how can we identify male chromosomes?
X and Y.
X and Y. Okay, total number of chromosomes.
46.
Okay. And for female, how will I?
Ma'am, can hear you.
Female, ma'am, 46.
And how will you identify for female?
X, double X. For female, double X.
Okay, good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I hope you all understand today's class. Okay, now I'll take your attendance. Okay, for that, you please turn on your videos. Okay, I'll tell you, huh, who will turn on videos. Sajarika, Sakani, and Jondit, turn on your videos.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Sajarika, Sakani, and Jondit, turn on your videos so that I will take your attendance. Sakani, what happened? Your video is not on. Okay, you can turn off. You can turn off. Okay, now Ayushree, Adam, Aseng, Caroline, and Ayang. Please turn on your video. Ayushree, Aseng, Ayang, Caroline. and Adam. Okay. Aseng also turn on. Okay. Caroline turn on, and Dynasty also turn on. Turn on soon. Please be a bit quick. Okay. Dynasty. Okay. Okay, you can switch off. I mean, you can turn off. Okay, now Gordas, Grafo, Gunajit, Hasina. Gordas, Grafo, Gunajit, Hasina. Do soon.